Introducing Shimano DC Braking. Digital control will provide trouble-free casting to all anglers. DC will greatly improve the casting and therefore the fishing experience for anglers of all skill levels. Make long, accurate casts regardless of wind speed or direction. DC Brake provides trouble-free casting with a wide range of lures by simply adjusting the external dial. Even challenging casts are now within reach for all anglers. The newest innovation in braking systems, Shimano DC Brake.
This is the Linedriver by Gerber. The dual-ended Linedriver has 6 essential functions, starting out with the hook vise. So what the hook vise actually allows you to do is not hold the hook with your fingers. The tool does it for you, and it also allows you to spin the hook while you tie the knot. When you're done tying the knot, you've got something besides the hook to hold on to while you're cinching it home. In addition to the hook vise, there's an eyelet clearing spike that you can knock paint out of jig head eyelets and get old line out of your flies as well. Tethering point and a pocket clip keep it close at hand and secure to your body. The line cutter on the Linedriver both allows you to use it as a conventional line cutter. This has dual serrations for tougher situations like larger diameter line. There's a lockout function on the Linedriver that actually closes the line cutter part way so that you're able to drag line through it quickly and cut line without actually touching the tool. The line cutter also turns into a nice little pair of pliers to crimp down split shot. I've also used it in a pinch to knock barbs off of hooks. On the same end as the line cutter is a hook threading device. It gives you a funnel to make it a lot easier to thread fine line through small eyelets. It really speeds up the process. The faster you can get a fly or a lure onto your line, the more time it spends in the water and the better chance you have of catching a fish.
The Garmin Striker Cast. The Striker Cast is a rugged, lightweight, castable sonar device that works with our free Striker Cast app to wirelessly stream sonar. And since any water will do, it's ideal for both fresh and saltwater use. Cast it from the shore, a dock, or watercraft to locate and display fish on your compatible smartphone or tablet. And this awesome little device can wirelessly stream sonar data up to 200 feet away. The Striker Cast GPS model gives you the ability to create your own custom fishing maps with 1-foot contours by using Quick Draw Contour software, so you can remember the best fishing spots. Access to the online Garmin Quick Draw community lets you easily download new maps and share yours with other members of the Quick Draw community. With Striker Cast, setup is quick and super easy, right out of the box. Just download the Striker Cast app to your compatible smartphone or tablet. Pair the Striker Cast sonar to the app on your mobile device and cast it out to locate those fish. With the internal USB rechargeable battery, you'll get up to 10 hours of battery life on a single charge. To conserve battery, the Striker Cast powers on when floating in the water and turns off when removed.
The Pescador. The Pescador series of sit-on-top kayaks are designed to be the best all-around boats for the money. Unmatched comfort, stability, speed, and straight trekking performance make it fun for even new paddlers to explore lakes, ponds, and flatwater rivers. Ready to fish right out of the box, the Pescador is loaded with features. Molded-in rod and cup holders are standard, and multiple gear tracks and a solo mount recess make it easy to customize, with accessories like cameras and fishing rod holders. A covered oval hinged hatch allows for extra dry cargo and ease of access, and a larger tank well is sure to fit popular fishing crate sizes, giving you more comfort for your money. The Pescador seat outperforms comparable models with thick ergonomic padding and an adjustable seat back for personalized support. Rugged and low maintenance, the Pescador features Perception's legendary one-piece roto-molded high-tech polymer construction for superior UV, impact, and abrasion resistance. Proudly designed, molded, and hand-assembled in the USA and available in a variety of colors, the Pescador is a great choice for all-around comfort and performance.
The multi-tackle large backpack. This fishing tackle bag is designed with the sportsman in mind and is the ultimate solution for your tackle storage needs. This backpack has large adjustable padded shoulder straps along with a sternum strap that allows for all-day comfort, while the bottom of the bag has base pads to reduce wear and keep your bag dry. The bottom cover folds down to provide a convenient work surface. The lower tray compartment fits up to 4 3600 style trays. The large upper storage area can fit up to 6 3500 style trays and allows for storage for all your extra gear. The clear internal pocket helps keep your license and maps visible but dry. And if the main compartments aren't enough, there are multiple side pockets for even more storage. With this bag, you will be sure to have room for all your gear you want by your side. And at the end of the day, when you're done fishing, you can fold down the center divider and convert your backpack into a hiking, hunting, and camping backpack. This backpack is truly made for the outdoorsman wherever you go.